Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gem Mint tool. This guide focuses on an easy method to help you achieve excellent results quickly. We will cover the essential steps, from initial setup to final application, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Our goal is to make your experience smooth and successful, helping you prepare your items to a high standard. You will learn how to maximize the tool's effectiveness with simple, clear instructions. Before you begin, proper preparation is crucial for achieving a gem mint finish. First, set up a clean and organized workspace to prevent contamination. Next, gather all your supplies, such as the tool itself, any recommended cleaning agents, and soft cloths. Always wear appropriate protective gear, like gloves, to safeguard both yourself and the item. Finally, carefully examine your item for any specific areas needing extra attention or delicate handling. Now, let's get to using the tool. Begin by applying a small amount of the appropriate cleaning solution to a soft, microfiber cloth, not directly onto your item. Then, gently guide the Gem Mint tool over the surface, using light, consistent pressure. Work in small, manageable sections, perhaps 1 square inch at a time, to ensure thorough and even application. Remember, patience and a delicate touch are key to achieving that desired pristine finish. To ensure optimal results, a few final steps are important. After using the tool, immediately wipe off any residual solution with a fresh, dry, lint-free cloth. Then, let your item air dry completely in a clean, dust-free area for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This prevents streaks and ensures a perfect finish. Finally, clean your Gem Mint tool according to its instructions and store it safely, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.